Us, bro. Let's go. Yeah. Open up my eyes, had to open up my mind. I was in the dark, had to open up the blinds. I can't pay no mind to you if you tryna hate. Focus on the love, keep it coming my way. Man, I've been here from the start, wasn't the dark. I keep it lit, it's amazing. I beat the odds, I broke the box. Now I'm designing the matrix, feeling the way. Better behave before I see you back to the basics. Keep it consistent, I've been on a mission. I gotta go get it, I gotta go get it. Yeah, I don't let people get next to me now. Funny they think they could threat to me now. Fuck all the drama, I hear them talking. Can't let it get to me now. Fuck that, roll one up. That's that shit that I be on. Heaven, that's where I belong. Only pass it if it's bomb. I don't need no average weed. I don't want no average vibes. I don't need your baggage, bitch. Turn around and walk by. Why should I go show restraint? I've been working overtime. Nothing happened overnight. We made this happen over time. Open up my eyes, had to open up my mind. I was in the dark, had to open up the blinds. I can't pay no mind to you if you tryna hate. Focus on the love, keep it coming my way. Keep it coming my way, keep it coming my way. Focus on the checks, keep them coming my way. Keep them coming my way, keep them coming my way. Focus on the love, keep it coming my way. Ayy, make that clap. DJ, run that back. Yo, girl, she love my sound. She said that this her favorite track. Been to hell and back. I could draw you maps. You can't handle what I've been through, it would make you crack. You know I see more than I talk about. I just sit back and observe. When I see you on those funny vibes, I'm just looking at you like bird. Learn to trust my instinct. Don't be surprised you get curved. No, I can't trust you. All the negative energy, boy, you gon' get me cursed. Damn. Fuck your retweets and your hashtags. Give me a check and I'll cash that. Give me a limit, I'll smash that. Give me a beat and I'll
mustard,
kill it.
bro.
Let's check it out.
See what happens.
Ooh, creamy. Yeah, that's so gross. I hate mustard.
That's like the worst fucking grossest thing I've ever seen. Like,
I've seen some pretty bad shit, but that's
it's a
pretty
good
bad.
fucking refrigerator though.
I need like something to smear it with.
Is it helping?
Yeah, actually immediately.
It's cold.
That's crazy. Well, obviously, but ice is maybe it does.
He's pooping. Fuck. What the?
All right, what do I do now?
It looks like a birch chat
Lick
on my hand.
it. Lick it.
Oh, I can smell it from here. Let's go over here. The hell?
Gross. But it feels really good.
What's up, LS?
Open up my eyes, had to open up my mind. I was in the dark, had to open up the blinds. I can't pay no mind.
So not even 2 minutes later. How you feel after the mustard?
Dude, like it never happened. It's insane. Insane.
Urban legend, mustard on the burn, works. In case you were wondering, urban legend works.
I'm living proof.
Corrosive approved.
All right, back to welding.
Back to welding.